Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 30th of May, post Labor Day, Memorial Day weekend holiday, and it was a pretty good start to the week. Markets had a nice, strong X opening and then a big pullback coming on again. But many stocks we followed did well today. Look at the AI. What a run that's had. Just in the last 2 days, 3 days, it's gone from mid-20s to mid-40s. How's that for a pop? Today in particular, up a whopping 12.45, and it's still running after hours near 46, 45 and a half. The target would be in the low to mid 50s if it blows off, or possibly even higher. At this point, we're keeping close tabs on it. Apld, nice day today. It's popped out 37, 17%. Traded some good volume, but not great. The bottom line is it's in a rising channel. I'm looking for 13 and a half and 15 going forward. ATTO with a big explosive breakaway gap above the moving average and a pop of 91%. That's $1.33, closing at 270. We're finishing or trading after hours at 279, that is. There is resistance at around 3.5. Beyond that, looking at 4.5. BTBT in a rising channel, popped through resistance today, jumped about 17%, 6 million traded. Looks like it's headed for 4.5 and 5 3/4. CFLT, which has come out, looks like it's emerging from an inverse head and shoulders today, popped across resistance and got all the way up to 31.32, finished trading after hours at 30.95 up to 24. That's nearly an 8% gain, 7 million traded. Looks like it's on its way to retest the high achieved back in August of last year, but it traded up to 34.39. We get through that, you're looking at a stock that could be in a 40-41 range. CHPT popped out of a multi-month falling wedge and through the 50-day moving average. I'm now looking for a test of that double top from March, April, when it tagged 1071. The next target beyond that would be 12 and then 13 and a half. Carvana popping out of a little mini pennant today got me to put a swing on it. I'm looking for 17 and a half and 20. CXAI, in deference to AI, also broke out of a 2-month wedge, exploded from 714 to 1249, trading after hours 1180 up 451. Huge move for that one. Looks like it could even go higher. Its target 17 and 21. FLNC popped out of a mini falling wedge and jumped 94 cents or 4%. There is resistance from the February high at 26 3/4. That's your target. Beyond that, 32. IONQ coming out of a wedge after reaching the resistance and backing off. Looks like it wants to take that out. Once you get to 1165, your targets are 13 3/4 and 16. KOPN, low price KOPN popped out of a 1 year long base and across declining tops lines. Could be an important breakout. Volume isn't huge, but 2.3 million, up 12.5%. My targets are 3 4 1/4. LI, after basing for several months, popped out and then flagged for 2 weeks. Today it's moving again. It made a nominal new high, but we put a swing on it and then it backed off. My target is going to be 34.5 and 36, 33 and 36. LWLG also popped and broke out. We have a new swing on that one. This one's I think targeting 9.5 and 12. MRAM broke through a base pattern today. It's probably going to test the August spike high from last year at around 940. Then we get through that, we're looking at 11. MVIS now on a run for about 3 weeks and has moved from $1.80 to 4.5. My momentum target says that now that it's broken back out again, 5 1/4 and 6 are next targets. Palantir with a pop and run and up another $1.18 or 8.6%. Volume was 165 million shares, huge. Now it looks like it's gathering some momentum for a run to 16 and 18. Start spiked after coming down for a couple of days, right back up to the high, the highest close we've seen on Upstart since back in, well, way back in August of last year. At this point, my target would be a retest of the August high, which is 37.65, but I'll take targets at 33.5 and 36. VRAR popped out as well with a nice surge. My target on this one, 6 3/4, 85, and then 8. And finally, Vuzi, the contract today popped and broke out of resistance. Looks like it may run. My target 6 1/2 initially. And that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening. I'll talk to you tomorrow.